I'm Ebony. I'm a cook here at the Washington Youth Academy, and today we are going to make traditional pumpkin pie. So what you're gonna want is one 15-ounce can or 2 cups of pureed pumpkin, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of ginger, nutmeg, and salt. And I'm using a pre-made pie crust from Safeway. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is we're gonna combine all of this into a mixing bowl. Our 2 cups of pumpkin, our 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, our 2 eggs, and all of our spices. Salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. Just switch over to a whisk, and we're just gonna mix this all together. Once it's all mixed, we're going to go ahead and just add it to our pre-made pie crust. And then this is going to go into a 450-degree oven for 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes, we are going to turn the oven down to 350 and cook for another 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay, so I'm blowing my keto diet for this, but it's worth it because it is the holiday season. So here we go. I better try one more piece. I feel like I'm sitting around a fire. This is holiday in one single plating right here. This is delicious. Good job.